me open it. Oh. 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 Yes. Okay. Alright. Pull that out. What is it? Oh. There's more.
Freddie, is it a treasure box?
Is that a treasure box for Freddie? Look. Okay.
Is that your treasure box from Grandma?
Oh.
What's inside?
Let's open it up. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. It's a little flamingo that broke.
That's okay.
That's okay. Let's see,
There's more stuff, Freddie. There's lots of stuff in there.
There's more. What's that? A sun. Yeah, you can put that on the table. And what's in this one? What's that?
A pumpkin.
Pumpkin. That's candy. And what's this?
Me. That's mine.
Yes. That's yours. That's your orange t-shirt. There's more. Look at that one. That one, I think that's for your brother. Look. What's this?
What's that?
It's another box.
It's a beautiful box.
What's in there?
Here.
Hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see there. Now let's see. What's in here? Open that one. What's in there? Oh, what's that?
A rock.
A rock.
I got the feel
What
rock.
do you got there?
Hey, what's in here?
That's a beautiful rock.
Yes, there.
What's in there?
What's that?
What's in there?
What is there?
What's in there?
What's in there? A hair.
A hair? Is that another rock?
Yeah.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
Is it Freddie's treasure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this.